Hey guys, it's me Dahlia, and today in this video I found kittens and a cat at my doorstep. I was like, well, what the heck? Why is there kittens at my doorstep? Well, I'll show you the kittens. Okay, let's flip you around. I found kittens at my doorstep. I was like, well, I don't know why there's kittens, but then I found this cool collar at the bottom of their bed, and it came with a locket. So I was like, maybe I should put the stickers of the cats in this locket, and there's a pink one and a purple one. So that's what I did. And it looks like Mama is really wet right now. So I decided their names. This one is Posy. This one is Rosie because of her cute little shirt. Let's put, and this one, the mama is Roxy. You are cute. Okay, so I'm gonna put these together. Okay, let's do it. There we go. Got these together. Now let's try to put it on Mama. Come here, baby. You're okay, baby girl. Okay, maybe she doesn't want a collar on right now, but I still gotta brush her. Like, there's lots of things we gotta do for our kittens. Like, right? Oh my gosh, you're so wet. Gee, Wally. She literally gets my pants wet every 5 seconds. I don't get her off of my pants. Okay, I'm gonna start brushing her with a normal brush because just why not? Oh my gosh, I need to brush your leg. It's really wet. And your tummy. Your tummy is wet, 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 wet. Oh, your tummy's so soft. What did you do to it? Okay, this is how I hold cats so I don't choke them. Or maybe like this. It would be best if you just hold them like this at their stomach and then just did this. If you have dogs, it's totally fine. The price of this is about $30, so I had to spend $30 for all their stuff. I also got them bottles, but I don't think they're ever going to use it because they never do use bottles. They never use the bottle. Instead of getting puppies, I got kittens, and I love cats. So I think I actually got the prettiest, but I do like blue ones. I love blue ones. My favorite color is actually blue. You guys didn't know that? I like any color of blue. And stop trying to tumble out of my hands, you little rascal. Okay. Okay. So I had to give her a little bath before we entered the house. I gave them all a bath, but the kittens didn't really appreciate it, so I got them out fast. The mama was just sitting there waiting for the bath to be over. I didn't record it because they were really out of control. Okay, but here's the little mama. She's still a little wet. And guys, my throat is like really dry right now. And it's kind of sore, so I do not sound like my normal self today. Posy, your turn. Try not to hit the kittens because their fur is really sensitive. Try not to hurt them. Let's get your little paws, your little feet, and your other paws. Okay. And now it's Rosie's turn. Yeah, little Miss Rosie. The kittens have green eyes, and the mama has blue. So I don't get it. Okay, so let's put you back in there. Okay, I'm gonna try to put the collar onto Miss Roxy, the mama of the kittens. Okay, she looks so cute in it. Her name is Roxy, little Roxy baby. But that is how you handle cats when you see them on your doorstep. Like, come on. And I also have so many animals in my house. I have a cat. I have a Japanese cat in my house. And it is so cute. But trust me, it does not cooperate as much. So if you want your own, you could find these at Walmart. But I suggest you stay inside so you could stay safe and enjoy the ride because the coronavirus. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I hope you like it. And if you did, smash that like button and we'll see y'all next time. And make sure to click the notification button so you could see all my videos. I love you guys. Peace out. Bye. Say bye, kitties. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.